smokes, I did it. I did it. Oh, man. Should I open it here? Or should I wait till I get home? I'll just wait until I get home. Guys, this is going to be like the awesomest freaking weekend ever in quarantine. For some reason, this mirror makes me look really short. Really, really short. So this is Portage Avenue on a Saturday afternoon. We're gonna fly this without the cage right now. We are, although, in a authorization zone. So it will allow me to take off in the blue zone. So we're gonna take off in the blue zone here right now. Okay, let's bring this out. I can hear it is having a really hard time hovering up there. So there is a wind warning. Hold on, honey, I'm just doing...
Get my jacket.
Okay, go get your jacket, honey. That's a good idea.
Get it.
Wind's like at 17 clicks or whatever.
Can you see me?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah, it's kind of windy.
I got a really messy backyard, kids. You just see all the garbage in the backyard. It's so messy backyard. So that's sport mode. It's super slick, super quick. Let's see how fast it goes up in sport mode.